In this video, I'll guide you through how to connect your Webflow site to a GoDaddy domain. If you're ready to get your custom domain up and running, you're in the right place. Let's dive in and make sure your website is all set to go live on your very own domain. First things first, head over to webflow.com. This is where all the magic begins. Once you're there, you'll want to log into your account. If you're new to Webflow, make sure you've got your credentials ready. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to create one before proceeding. Once you're logged in, click on All Sites. This will take you to a dashboard where you can see all the projects you've been working on. If you haven't started your site yet, this is the perfect time to jump in and create one. But assuming you've already set up your site, you'll see it listed right here. Next, locate the site you want to connect to GoDaddy. Beside the site name, you'll notice three little dots. Click on those to reveal a drop-down menu. From this menu, select Settings. This is where you'll find all the configurations you need for your site. Now, move over to the Publishing tab. This section is crucial because it's where you'll manage how and where your site is published. Once you're in the Publishing section, you'll see an area labeled Production. This is where you can add your GoDaddy domain. Before you can add or purchase a custom domain, you'll need to ensure your Webflow site is on a paid plan. If you haven't upgraded yet, you'll see an option to do so here. Upgrading unlocks the ability to connect your custom domain, allowing your site to go live with your chosen web address. That's it for the Webflow side of things. Now, let's jump over to your GoDaddy account. There, you'll need to configure your domain settings to point to Webflow servers. This usually involves updating the DNS settings, specifically the CNAME and A records, to match those provided by Webflow. And there you have it. Your Webflow site should now be connected to your GoDaddy domain. Give it a moment to propagate, which can sometimes take up to 48 hours, though it usually happens much faster. Once everything is set, your site will be live under your custom domain, ready to be shared with the world. Thanks for following along, and happy publishing. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials.